Now let's look at this figure here, 22-14B, and we're going to perform the calculation to the fixed appliance load that we just reviewed in the previous figure of, say, 22-14A. Now, notice what is the demand load for the fixed appliances. Now, you're going to have to come in here and jerk out uh, the heating load, the AC load, the cooking equipment, and the dryer. That's jerked out. Then you have those appliances that we seen in our figure 22-14A. So we drop down and we remove the following appliances in step one in accordance with 220.53: heating load, AC load, dryer load, and cooking equipment. Been removed out of the fixed appliance load as instructed to do so in 220.53. Now we're going to determine the VA and do the calculation in accordance with 220.53. Water heater 6,000, water pump 1,600, disposal 900, the compactor load 1,200, microwave 1,000, blower motor 700. Add those total fixed appliances together, 11,400 VA. And since there is four more there, 220.53, we take 75% of 11,400, and that load has been reduced to 8,550 VA. So the solution and the answer is 8,550 VA, and that's what this illustration 22-14B is illustrating to the user of the NEC calculating such a load.